The recipient of the 2012 AEA Associate Member of the Year Award began as a small repair station for Wichita's growing aircraft industry in 1964. Today, it has become a top-rated overhaul and repair facility, as well as major original equipment manufacturer of instruments, avionics, and emergency power supplies. With more than 48 years of experience, Mid-Continent Instruments spent decades enhancing product designs, refining new technologies, and establishing a respected reputation as a premier service provider and manufacturer. This week at the AEA convention, the company reintroduced itself as Mid-Continent Instruments and Avionics. Helping customers solve problems has been an important part of the company's success. Mid-Continent Instruments and Avionics specializes in supporting avionics shops that focus on providing service and value to their customers. When Mid-Continent was purchased by John Winter in 1980, the company embraced a commitment to engineering, quality, and service that continues to this day. With the 1991 addition of a facility in Van Nuys, California, and the new direction provided by Todd Winter, President and CEO, the company expanded its service capabilities, innovative product lines, and international reach. Today, Mid-Continent Instruments and Avionics has grown to employ 175 people in 2 locations, Wichita, Kansas, and Van Nuys, California. The company has the skilled expertise to overhaul nearly 6,000 different products, and both the Kansas and California facilities are FAA and EASA authorized repair stations. More than 20,000 units are manufactured annually, and more than 15,000 units are overhauled, exchanged, and repaired each year. The company's team of engineers design innovative solutions for nearly every general aviation aircraft manufacturer, and they provide specialized aftermarket products to customers around the globe. In 2010, Mid-Continent Instruments and Avionics identified a new segment within the general aviation industry with growth potential. The company positioned itself as a leader in this segment by establishing its True Blue Power division and the True Blue Power product line. Since 1981, Mid-Continent Instruments and Avionics has been a long-standing member of the AEA. John Winter, Todd Winter, and Matt Fowle have all served on the AEA Board of Directors at various times. In fact, John Winter was named the AEA Member of the Year in 1995, and the AEA's Board of Directors honored him with the AEA Lifetime Achievement Award in 2006 for his many contributions to the avionics industry. In 2007, Matt Fowle was named the AEA Member of the Year, and the company was named the AEA Associate Member of the Year in 2001. Throughout its history, Mid-Continent Instruments and Avionics has earned numerous AEA Avionics Training Excellence Awards. The company sponsors an annual AEA Educational Foundation Scholarship and supports the foundation through significant donations to the annual AEA Silent Auction. For its innovative products and customer support, dealers are saying thank you to Mid-Continent Instruments and Avionics as their selection for the 2012 AEA Associate Member of the Year Award. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in congratulating Mid-Continent Instruments and Avionics.